What if I told you, you don't need to be smart to make money trading? But most traders still lose because they think too much. In this video, I'll show you the 3 things that actually make traders profitable and why almost nobody follows them. Most traders think you need a complex strategy, but the truth is, you just need discipline and a simple system you can repeat. Being profitable in trading is not hard. It's boring. It's slow. And most people can't handle that. This is where most traders fail. They come in expecting excitement, fast money, big wins. But the traders who actually make money are doing the same thing over and over again, every single day. No excitement, no overtrading, just repetition. The 3 essential skills you need to be a profitable trader is risk management, finding your edge, and journal trading. First, risk management. Risk management means knowing what you're willing to lose before you enter a trade. Because one bad trade can wipe out your account. Let me show you what usually happens. You enter a trade, everything looks perfect, and then price pulls back, just a little. And suddenly, your emotions kick in. You start thinking, what if it keeps going against me? What if I lose everything? So what do? You close too early. Or worse, you hold too long, hoping it comes back. And that's how traders lose. But when you manage risk properly, you don't react emotionally. You let the trade play out. You respect your stop loss. And you stop trying to control the market and start controlling yourself. Because trading is not about predicting, it's about managing risk. To summarize, risk management is really important because it helps you stay neutral on the trade and not trading on hope if the trade goes the wrong way. Second, simple edge. A simple edge is one setup you repeat every day, like a candle closing at a key level with volume. Nothing fancy, just something that works over time. But here's the mistake most traders make. They think more complexity equals more profit. So they add indicators, switch strategies, and end up confused. A complex system doesn't make you profitable. It makes you inconsistent. A simple edge does the opposite. It gives you clarity. You recognize setups faster, and you execute without hesitation. You don't need 10 trades a day. One good trade is better than 5 random ones. And when you find your setup, you need to test it, backtest it, paper trade it, track it. Because real traders don't guess, they prepare. There are several edge online for free. You need to use just one trade that will work in a specific environment. Please keep it simple. To know what your edge work, you need to do a tone of backtesting and a tone of paper trading. If you do not have a mentor, this period can take time, but it is one of the most important phases in your trading career. When you refine your edge, you will know when to get in a trade and when to leave. Once you find your edge, you're at least 50% done in your system. The edge is really important because it will show how you're supposed to make your money in a specific environment. Take your time to find your edge and do not rush the process. The next step is often overlooked, but it is the most important and the most difficult. Phase to stay consistent in your trading career. Third, journal trading. Discipline means following your rules every time, especially your stop loss. Because one emotional trade can erase days of progress. This is the hardest part of trading. Not the strategy, not the charts, but you. You need to track every trade. What setup did I take? Did I follow my rules? How did I feel? Because your emotions leave patterns. You'll notice things like, when I risk too much, I get nervous. When I lose, I revenge trade. When I win, I get overconfident. And if you don't track that, you'll repeat the same mistakes forever. The goal is to reach a neutral state. Not excited, not scared, just focused. When you're neutral, you execute better. And here's the mindset shift. Stop focusing on money. Start asking, did I follow my system? Because money is a byproduct of having an edge and respecting it. You don't need to be smart to make money trading. You need discipline. And most people don't have it. But if you can master that, you're already ahead of 90% of traders.